Get it. I like waterfalls. A lot of people might not know that, but I love waterfalls, so find one for it. Now, it is time to go to Waterfalls. Nice side bag. That up. Alrighty, on to adventure number 2 for today. A lot of nice houses out here. Be sure the trail goes. Oh yeah, give them props. Oh, beautiful. So, let's go down. You guys think I gotta walk to go see what there is over here? Part of a nature walk is sometimes they suck. Enjoy them. They just suck because you gotta walk for so long. So far, not so bad though. You gotta enjoy the journey. It's kind of like life. You can't just expect the best things to happen. You gotta enjoy the journey. Let's keep going down. Almost ate shit. Cause I'm wearing a motorcycle helmet though. What I have gotten to see over here today. I mean, not necessarily disappointed, but like, I had higher expectations, I guess.